everyone, welcome to the first renovation update here at Venture on 10th. We are here on property. You'll remember that it's a 14-unit bungalow style property in Uptown Phoenix. Construction has already started and I'd love to show you where we're at. So we caught up with Danny, who is our construction manager, and we're so in sync here at Neighborhood Ventures that we match.
We're matching.
We're matching
your logo though.
I know, I need a logo. Where's my logo? Let's talk about what's going on the exterior of this property. What are we gonna change?
We are changing the roofs. We're installing new roofs, fascia. We are upgrading the electrical panels.
Nice.
Out back.
Okay. Are we doing any landscaping lights or new landscaping? I think we're planning on that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Landscaping and lights.
Great. And what about the interior? What are we looking at?
We're refreshing the insides. We are doing cabinets, countertops, new shower surrounds, flooring.
Perfect. Everything to make it look good, right?
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Danny. We are going to go inside and look at some of the things that have already happened. We're about, a week and a half into it?
We can have into it, yeah.
Okay, so I think we're going to be pleasantly surprised at how much has actually happened. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here at Venture on 10th, we're doing things a little differently. Because there are residents on the property in other units, we want to maintain a cash flow by being able to renovate some units from start to finish. And then once those residents move out and those are vacated, we can start on those while having these rented out. And by doing that, we're going to maintain a constant cash flow, which I know is good news to investors. So for it being only a week and a half, there's actually been a ton accomplished. There's new flooring, there are cabinets, countertops, the bathroom's already started to be worked on, popcorn ceilings are being removed, and basically, I mean, they're rocking and rolling on this thing. All right, there's no electricity in here, but I really wanted to show you something cool. Because of the line of sight from the bedroom and the hallway into the bathroom directly to the vanity, we want to go from counter to ceiling full tile, which is a feature not normally found in apartment homes. Instead, it's really reserved for more of the designer custom luxury home. And we feel like adding something like this into this property is gonna be a win, totally worth it, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. All right, so during the inspection period, we found that some of the roofs needed to be replaced. We worked that into the budget. There are no surprises. The roof here is almost done. They've replaced the fascia, giving it a nice clean look. There's already been a lot accomplished here at this property, and I have to give my hat off to Danny and his construction crew. It is 110 degrees in the shade, and we're happy to do that heavy lifting for you, the investor. This has been another Neighborhood Ventures renovation update, the first of many to come.